Experiencing problems receiving your Tesco Mobile confirmation email? This is a common issue, especially when activating a SIM card, setting up an account, resetting your password, or confirming an order. Let's walk through the most effective solutions. First, understand that these emails are automated and sent via Tesco's systems, which means delivery issues are usually due to a few key factors. This segment will guide you through the primary steps to resolve these issues quickly. Since email issues are becoming less frequent, it may be a simple fix. To get your confirmation email, start with step 1, resend the email. Use the Tesco mobile app or website dashboard to initiate a resend. This generates a new email, potentially bypassing any previous blocks. Tesco allows up to 3 resends per day. Next, step 2, check your spam or junk folder. Email providers like Gmail and Outlook may flag these emails. Search for emails from tescomobile.com. If found, mark the email as not spam and add tescomobile.com to your safe sender list to prevent future issues. Finally, step 3, verify your email address. Log into your Tesco Mobile account and double-check that your email address is correct and up to date. Even a small typo can cause delivery failure. Tesco validates addresses against its database. If problems persist, contact Tesco Mobile support for assistance. They can manually verify your account and resend the confirmation through alternative channels like SMS.